Almost got it. Need some light. There it goes.
Yes.
Over on the bench.
Check this bolt here. It looks loose. Okay, I see it. Working on it now. All right, let's get the heavy stuff off. This grime is really set in. Focus on the manifold first. Got it. This is looking much better. All right, that's one. Let's get the next one tight.
Yeah.
Checking the tension now. Just a bit more. Yep, that's good. All right, come on, just a little more. Got it. Next one, here we go. All right, time to seal this up. Ready whenever you are. Perfect coverage. Looking good. All right, now we're connected. Let's see if this works.
God damn it. Ugh. Not again.
Keep going with that. Push it in tighter. Watch the smoke, easy. Keep it clean, don't miss a spot. Got it, good.
Come on, you old clunker. Just one smooth start. Simulation initialized. Please begin driving.